I declare the convocation open.
या कुन्देन्दु तुषारहार धवला या शुभ्रवस्त्रामृता या वीणावर दण्डमण्डितकरा या श्वेतपद्मासना या ब्रह्माच्युत शङ्कर प्रभृतिभिः देवैः सदा वन्दिता सा मां पातु सरस्वती भगवती निशेष जाड्यापहा.
Our chief guest, Shikha Sharma, Director, Professor Nanda, distinguished faculty, graduating students, parents, family members, and guests. A very warm welcome to all of you. First of all, I would like to congratulate all of those who are graduating today, brilliant young men and women who will undeniably impact the world of business in the years to come. A special welcome to Shikha Sharma, MD and CEO of Axis Bank. Interestingly, for Shikha, this is a homecoming of sorts. As an IIMA alumnus, she has made a distinct mark and achieved many accolades. Shikha is a transformational leader and amongst the most reputed global bankers. A string of prestigious awards have been conferred upon her, of which let me cite just a few. She has been the recipient of the AIMA JRD Tata Corporate Leadership Award. Business Today named her as India's best woman CEO, whilst Business Standard honored her as the Banker of the Year. Shikha has also featured amongst Asia's 50 power businesswomen in the Forbes list, as also in the Fortune's global list. She is truly an inspirational figure and a role model for all of us across the country. It's great to have you here, Shikha. Thank you so much for accepting our invite. To the graduating students, all of you, I'm sure, will achieve great heights in your careers and make all of us and your alma mater proud. I do not know how many of you have thought about this beautiful expression called the alma mater, an expression in Latin which means the nurturing or the nourishing mother. How apt a description it is when I think of what a big difference institutes like the IIM Ahmedabad have made to so many lives, and in the process, the great impact that they have had on economies and societies. I congratulate and compliment the director and the faculty of IIMA, both past and present, for keeping the spirit of nurturing alive at this great institution, and further enlivening and strengthening it through their seminal contribution in teaching, research, and mentoring. Once one gets into an institute like this one, a degree obviously is inevitable. I guess one would have to put in very special efforts not to get one. However, these last 2 years that you've spent on this vibrant campus, I believe are not just about the degree. Rather, they are about making a substantive contribution to the context and the time that we live in when you step out of these portals today. Today is the day when you say goodbye to this glorious institution. Leave behind something precious and priceless. Your days of discovery, camaraderie, adventure, and romancing life to move into the real world and test your true mettle. When I graduated from London Business School, the world was a very different place. You are stepping into a world where change is more ferocious than it has ever been in the past. So let me not sugarcoat things for you. The real world today is a tough place where oftentimes there seems to be no light at the end of the tunnel. There is intense competition out there, there is failure out there, and you will encounter challenges and hurdles that you have never even imagined in your wildest dreams. But for them who are willing to push for excellence, and for those who are willing to endure the grind and the hard work, there will be triumphs, achievements, and realizations. As you zip ahead in life with ambition in your hearts and determination in your spirits, try and analyze your lives and careers rationally. Here are some of my learnings that I would like to share with you, and I hope that they will strike a chord. Never underestimate your abilities. That, if at all, will be your boss's job. It is okay to make mistakes as long as they are honest ones and as long as one is willing to glean some learning out of them. You are bound to flounder at some point or the other. All of us do. But do not let failure bog you down. Failure is truly the crucible of forging success. Use your failures to strengthen your resolve and go even harder for your goals. There cannot be success without failure. Teamwork is the ultimate mantra. Individualism is essential to bring in the diversity of thoughts, but teamwork ensures organizational effectiveness. No one person can have all the answers. Individual stars are fine by themselves, but they cannot create a galaxy of brilliance. To be a team person, you need to be a good listener. Life isn't a TV talk show, it isn't the big fight. Practice the art of listening, and chances are that you will be heard better as well. Progressive business leaders, and I take Shikha's example here, would welcome constructive dissent, as you will find many value-added inputs embedded in it. Debates, differences, and disagreements must be encouraged until the team has reached a decision. After that, the entire team must pull in the same direction with enthusiasm and a sense of discipline. Management education encourages people to take what I call the helicopter view, a top-down approach. Business schools focus on strategies, but I have to say that strategies are meaningless until and unless they've been backed up by effective ground-level action. It's all in the details and the nitty-gritties, the execution. Try your hardest to bridge the generational gap. Respect the experience and expertise of your seniors. If you open your minds, they can become your guiding lights. You can find amongst them gurus who can shape your thinking very substantially. And finally, define success. What does it mean to you? Success isn't just what prestigious company you work for, what your designation is, how much money you make, or what your perks are. Rather, it must be a more wholesome concept. Family, friends, hobbies, ethics, giving back to society, and a desire to enjoy life constitute, to my mind, real success. Look at how far you have come rather than how far you wish you had gone by now. To me, that is the true measure of one's success. And lastly, never let the process of learning and discovering stop. What you've learned here is the science of management, which, however, is only one aspect of the learning curve. Going forward, you will have to start practicing the art of management. I wish each and every one of you a fantastic life and career ahead. As you embark upon this new and wondrous journey, may you achieve everything that you set out to and even more. With these words, I welcome all of you again to the 52nd convocation of IIM Ahmedabad. Good luck, God bless, and Godspeed.
Candidates for the title of Fellow of the Indian Institute of Management, Ahmedabad, please rise. The candidates will individually receive their titles from the chairman as I call their names, then return to their seats and remain standing in front of their chairs until all the candidates of the program have received their titles and the chairman has conferred the titles on them. The candidates would then bow and sit down. Anish Purkayastha, his thesis was Internalization of Emerging Market Firms, a Dynamic Capability Perspective. Jatin Pandey, job performance of women at work in rural India, job demands resources perspective. Jatinder Kumar, institutionalization of ethics at workplace, a study of contributory role of HR and line functionaries. Jitesh Kumar K, the influence and interaction of online store brand and product brand on pre-purchase and post-purchase consumer behavior. Monica Gupta, impact of regulation change on earnings quality in India. Pearl Malhotra, indirect impact of high performers on subordinates' careers. Preet Deep Singh, Essay 1, Audit Committee members' attendance and its impact on earnings management. Essay 2, Exogenously reduce business and its impact on earnings management. Rajesh Nanarpura, interplay of religion and marketplace transactions. Rajiv Ranjan, self-initiated teacher innovations in government rural elementary schools, evolution, impact and sustainability. Rama Shankar Yadav, exploring the impact of employee perception of CSR on work-related behavior with spirituality as a moderator. Rishabh Dara, a framework to analyze the telecommunications policy process in India. Sanket Sunan Dash, antecedents and consequences of job crafting by school teachers. Sayan Putatunda, streaming data, new models and methods with applications in the transport industry. Sean Matthew, deciphering the choice overload phenomena, exploring the role of consideration set and anticipated regret. Shrihari Suresh Sohani, linkages between human resource flexibility, dexterity and successful outcomes in the context of information technology firms. Smriti Agrawala, father-son relationship dynamics and individual performance, a study of the Marwadi family business. Supriya Sharma, contradictions between identity and images of an organization, exploring responses in new entrepreneurial ventures. And in absentia, Siddharth Bhaskar, evolution of new freight structure in India over the long run, a policy assessment. Mr. Chairman, I present Mr. Anish Purkayastha and 17 others who have fulfilled all the requirements for the award of the title of Fellow of the Indian Institute of Management, Ahmedabad, and request the Indian Institute of Management, Ahmedabad Society to confer the title on them.
Members of the Society, may the title be conferred on these candidates. By the authority given to me by the Indian Institute of Management, Ahmedabad Society, I confer on you the title of Fellow of the Indian Institute of Management, Ahmedabad, and I charge you that in your life, by word and deed, you prove yourselves worthy of it.
Candidates for the postgraduate diploma in management, please rise. The candidates will individually receive their diplomas from the chairman as I call their names, then return to their seats and remain standing in front of their chairs until all the candidates of the program have received their diplomas and chairman has conferred the diplomas on them. The candidates would then bow and sit down. A. Asif Basha, Akash Gupta, Abhay Khetan, Abhik Paul, Abhinav Biani, Abhiroop Das, अभिषेक प्रियम, अभिषेक सिंह, आचार्य अनीश मनोज, आदर्श गौतम, अदेपवार ऋषिकेश, अग्निवेश मंगल, अदितेश कुमार चौधरी, आकांक्षा सिंह, आकाश गुप्ता, अखिल गोपाल कुलंगरथ, अखिल शंकर माथुर, अखिलेश भट्ट, अखिलेश कश्यप, आशीष खुल्लर, रोहनदीप सिंह जसवाल, अक्षय रघुनाथ, अक्षय राजकुमार शहारे, अक्षय गौर, अमन कुमार, अमृतकर तुषार मधुकर, अनाहत कौर दानेवालिया, आनंद माल्तो, अनंत बंसल, अनंत यादव, अंचित राजकुमार शहारे, एंड्रयू जॉन विनी एच, अनिल कुमार डिड्डी, अनिमेश बैनर्जी, अनिरुद्ध मित्रा, अनिरुद्ध जैन, अनिरुद्ध शेख सरिया, अनीश गोयल, अंकित प्रवीण परमार, आकाश गुप्ता, रुधिर सिद्धम, अंकित सिन्हा, अंकित सौरव लाखरा, अंकिता, अंकिता महापात्र, अंकुर गर्ग, अनूप सिद्दक सिंह तुली, अंशुल कुमार राय, अंशुल मिश्रा, एंथनी फिलिप, अनुज सिंघवी, अनूप आदित्य अलुरु, अनुराग, अनुराग कटारिया, अनुराग साइकिया, अनुराग श्रीवास्तव, अनुषा शिरसाले, अपूर्व सिंह, अपूर्व टोप्पो, सम्यक डागा, अरविंद पीजी, अरिका तुलस्यान, अर्जुन अग्रवाल, अर्जुन शाहजन, अरुष दयाल, अर्पित अग्रवाल, अरूज पंत, अरुण सुब्रमणियन, आरुषि जामर, अरविंद कुमार, आशीष कुमार, आशीष राणा, अशिता प्रसाद, अस्मिता भट्टाचार्य, असरम जमील, अवनी जैन, आयुष गुप्ता, बी रामचंद्रन, बाहेती यश ललित, बालाजी रामचंद्रन, बानोत नयन तेजा, बरसागड़े प्रतीक वासुदेव, वसंत कुमार मीना, भोजने अमित नरेश राव, भूमेश तंवर, विजय कुमार कंवर, विकास रंजन शिहल, बिपिन बंसल अग्रवाल, विप्लव राणा, विश्वदीप मंडल, बितन नाथ, बोट्टा रामनाथ, चंचल अग्रवाल, चंद्रा सुषम पालेकर, चिन्मय दास, डी अरविंदराज दुरईपंडी, डी विनीत राव, दयाद्रु नायक, देवेश कुंवर, दीप दिनेश कुमार, दीपक मोहन, दीपांकर गौतम, दीपेश नंदनवार, दीप्तम तुड्डू सहा, देवधर आदित्य राजेंद्र, देवांशु यादव, देवाशीष बंसल, देवेंद्र कुमार मीना, देवेंद्रन जननी, ढोलकिया हितेश नरेश भाई, वर्जीनिया रनफोला, इमयवरम्बन बी, इनाक्षी किस्पोटा, फराज खान, फटंगरे आदित्य गोविंद, GV अजय, गाडगीळ अंशुल राजन, गणेश कुमार भास्कर, गंगोलिया हेमंत कुमार कृष्णकांत, गरिमा भारती, गरिमा दास, गरिमा गारसा, गरिमा कौशल, गरिमा तुलस्यान, गौरव चौधरी, घाटपांडे तश्विता शेखर, गोखले आदित्य चेतन, गोपिनीडी वेंकट श्रीकांत, गौरवेंद्र सिंह, गोसाले विवेक नागनाथ, गोसलिया रुबिन प्रमोद कुमार, गुगलोथ राजेश, गुरनानी नवीन कुमार गोपाल, हनुमानुला श्रीकांत, हार्दिक चोपड़ा, हार्दिक वाधवा, हरि कृष्णन, हरप्रीत सिंह चावला, हर्ष जैन, हर्ष रंजन, हर्षित गरोडिया, हर्षित शिहरा, हस्ते शिभांश सिद्धार्थ, हेमंत जी, हिमांशु शर्मा, इमरान हुसैन, ईश्वर चंद्र मुर्मू, जाजू दर्शित हरिप्रसाद, जानकी रमेश ठक्कर, जयादित्य बंडी, जयेश शर्मा, जिंगाम जखाब, जोशी अभिजीत मोहन, के रामदास, जूली इवा त्राचिक, कनिष्क मेहता, कनिष्क जैन, कार्तिक आर इंगरसोल, कार्तिक श्रीधरन, कार्तिक राज रेवार, कटरू उदय, कौशिक किशोर, कावेयन के, केदस सतीश्वर, केतन मुरली, केट्टी रेड्डी संजय कौशिक, खंडाते आदर्श नरेश, खेकड़े भूषण नामदेवराव, कोकल स्वप्निल सतीश, कोनकला फणिदीपरेन, कोय्या SS सुयोधन रेड्डी, कृतिका सिंह, कृष्ण भारद्वाज, कुमारी कामना, कुणाल प्रकाश, कुळलरसन केसी, एल किशोर खन्ना, लकुमला अनुदीप, लोकेश यादव, मान्या गुप्ता, मधुर बाहेती, माहेश्वरी निखिलेश अतुल, मार्कंड कुमार, माणिक कुशाग्र सुरेंद्र, मनीष जैक्सन तिरके, मनीष कुमार, मनु गुलाटी, मतिवतन वीएल, मयांक राजेश संघानी, मीत मुकेश पासवान, मेघना बाला, मेहुल वर्मा, मेराई संदीप मनोज, मोहनीश विनोद फूल बांधे, मोहित कोठारी, मोहित मेहरोत्रा, मृणाल निगम, मृणालिनी बैंदांडा, मुकुंद शिवाजी राउत, मुस्कान रोहेला, नागर अवनी आलोक ऋतु, नलिन गुप्ता, नम्रता यादव, नवीन चोरडिया आर, नवीन पीएल, नवनीत सदानी, नीलेश सिंगल, नीरज रश्मि झवेरी, नेहा कटारिया, नेहा मांगलिक, नेहा पांडे, नेस्नातकर ऋषिकेश सखाराम, निखिल गुप्ता, निखिल कजारिया, निखिल कुमार, निखिल कुमार, निखिल मेनन, निमित गर्ग, निशांत भाटिया, निशांत रंजन, निशांत शेखर, नितिन झुंझुनवाला, नृपेश पोखरे, पलक पटेल, पल्लवी अवस्थी, पल्लनेनी दिनेश यादव, पंकज चौधरी, परदेशी ऋषिकेश मोहन सिंह, पर्णिका सिंघानिया, पार्थ चिराग कुमार शाह, परुषा राउत कृष्णप्रिया, पाटणकर देवदत्त संजीव, पटेल प्रतीक रमेश, पिंपळकर मोहित सुधीर, पीयूष अग्रवाल, पीयूष लाहोटी, प्रभाकरन, प्रदीप यादव, प्रदीप सिंघी, प्रकृति खेमका, प्रणय बुबना, प्रांजल श्रीवास्तव, प्रशांत गर्ग, प्रशांत जे, प्रिंस अग्रवाल, प्रियांश के अग्रवाल, पुनीत गुप्ता, आर रम्या राठौड़, आर साधना, आर सिद्धार्थ, राजित कुमार, राघव पीयूष मित्तल, राहुल अवधिया, राहुल झुंझुनवाला, राहुल कुमार वर्मा, राहुल सैनी, राजकुमार आश, राजाराम एस, राजीव कुमार, राजेंद्र कुमार, रविशंकर प्रसाद, रिनिथा ए, ऋषभ ढाल, ऋषभ नरेश, ऋषभ प्रसाद, ऋषभ सुभाष बारगुजर, रिया गुप्ता, रोजालिया जूरा लॉन्गो, रोहित किरण प्रसून देवरापू, रोहित कुमार, रोहित पोद्दार, एस दिनेश कुमार, एस संदीप रेड्डी, सबरीनाथ एस, सचिन गुप्ता, साहिल अग्रवाल, साहिल मेहता, साई वात्सल्य मोक्का, सजन जैल, सलोनी कपिल, सामना श्रवण कुमार, समर्थ यादव, संचित प्रवीण अग्रवाल, संजना शर्मा, संजीव जायसवाल, संकेत उल्लास अमदळ्ळी, साप्ते प्राजक्ता संजय, शौरजीत कानुंगो, सरगम मल्होत्रा, सार्थक सनेजा, सदबीर सिंह काजल, सौम्य माथुर, सौरभ भारती, सौरभ कनौजिया, सौरभ पटेल, सौरव कुमार महापात्र, सेबेस्टिन एमजे, सेबिन पुन्नचेरिल, शबाहत शकील, शाह हेमाली दिलीप, शाह निशाद मनीष, शाह निशित कुमार संजय भाई, शाह पार्थ जयेंद्र, शाह रौनक निमेश, शैलेश मोहन, शैलेश वर्मा, शालीन भट्ट, सांतेश कुमार वर्मा, श्रवण कुमार, शशांक कृष्ण कुमार, शशांक शेखर, शशि प्रकाश, शाश्वत गंगवार, शाश्वत मिश्रा, शिखर नरेन माथुर, शिवांशु मक्कर, श्रेणिक कुमार जैन, श्रेय अग्रवाल, श्रेय बंसीवाल, श्रेया सिंह, श्रेयस भींडवाले, श्रेयस कुमार शर्मा, श्रीकांत सिद्धार्थ शेळके, श्रुति खत्री, शुभम अग्रवाल, शुभम मीना, सिद्धार्थ बत्रा, सिद्धार्थ डागा, सिद्धार्थ बिस्वास, सिद्धांत जैन, सिद्धांत रे, सिद्धांत श्रीवास्तव, सिद्धार्थ सबलानिया, स्मृति जानू, स्नेहिल कुमार, येंस जोसेफ मननल, सोनाजे रोशन राजेंद्र, सोनी क्षमांक श्याम सुंदर, सौम्यदीप चक्रवर्ती, सृजन गोयल, श्रीराम तेजावत, श्रीराम विजय, सुदीक्ष गुप्ता, सुलभ बौद्ध, सुमित भगत, सुनील एमएस, सुरेंद्र स्वामी, सुरेश आनंद वी, सूर्य जयशंकर, सुवंश बंसल, सुयश विजय चांडक, स्वप्नील अग्रवाल, स्वप्नील नागरे, स्वप्नील एस सूर्यवंशी, टी विजय श्रीनिवास, तलवार अमृषा अतुल, तान्या सहाय, थम्मंडी शिवा आदित्य, थत्तुगोल्ला राकेश, ठोमरे नलिन विवेक, तुषिर चाहल, उदय देवगाम, उज्ज्वल कालरा, उत्सव भट्टाचार्य जी, उत्तम कुमार, वी श्रीहर्षा, वैभव सिंगल, वैभव सोनी, वर्णित एम कोप्परम, वेनिका अग्रवाल, वेंकट कृष्ण प्रसाद बी, विक्टर देब्बर्मा, विकल्प बंसल, विक्रम कुमार अहलावत, विनय यवतकर, विशाल सिंह लोधी, विशाल थापा, विवेक बुसर, वाई विश्व चैतन्य, यशस्वी चावला, यासिर अली चिश्ती, योगेश यादव, अभिषाद ए जोशी, अनव कुमार, असीम कुशवाहा, देवराज सिंह, राहुल मल्होत्रा, विक्रम अग्रवाल, विनीत गुप्ता, Alessandro Zabrizzi, Claudio Brivio, Michele Bitti, Giorgia Montrubiano, Ala Shamim Saifi, and in absentia, Gaurav Yadav, Kamineni Sri Teja, Nishant Paliwal, Panchbhai Ankit Ram Gopal, Ekansh Jain, Rohan K. Baby, Sohail Sajid Khandkar. Mr. Chairman, I present Mr. A. Asif Basha and 400 others who have fulfilled all the requirements for the award of the Postgraduate Diploma in Management and request the Indian Institute of Management Ahmedabad Society to confer the diploma on them.
Members of the society, may the diploma be conferred on these candidates. By the authority given to me by the Indian Institute of Management Ahmedabad Society, I confer on you the postgraduate diploma in management, and I charge you that in your life, by word and deed, you prove yourselves worthy of it.
The Indian Institute of Management Ahmedabad Gold Medal for Scholastic Performance has been awarded to the following postgraduate program candidates who will come forward as their names are called and receive the medals from the chief guest. Ashish Khullar, Akash Gupta, Samyak Daga,